Name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we are going to learn how to find the probability by using tree diagram. So there are two questions. Then one question without replacement and one question is with replacement. Okay, first we will solve the question without replacement. So look here the question, a standard deck of 52 playing cards. You know the playing card, we have total 52 cards. They said when you will, first you will draw one card. Then again you will draw the second card. Okay, the first question, we have A and B part, two parts are given to solve. The first thing they are asking you to draw tree diagram. Okay, what is a tree diagram? So we have tree diagram to represent the suits. How many suits are there? Four, because we have four different suits: heart, diamond, club and spades. So we will draw this tree diagram. So look here, the first thing we have the heart. For example, first choice is heart. The second choice is, when you choose it, the possibility can be the diamond. Third can be the club, can be spade. These are the possibilities, the first time. Second time same, we have the four possibilities: first, second, third and fourth. Can be heart, can be diamond, can be club, can be spade. These are the possibilities for the second time if the first card is heart. Okay, if the first card is diamond, what are the can be same possibilities: can be diamond, can be heart, can be the second one, can be club, can be spade. Again, if the first card is club, what about the second time? The second time can be diamond, can be heart, can be club, can be spade. Okay, if the first card is spade, again we have the four different possibilities. If the first card is spade, the second can be diamond, can be spade, can be heart, can be club. Okay, this is the tree diagram. This is what? The tree diagram for the A part. Finished. Now B part. In the B part they are asking to find the probability that the both cards from the red suit, where is the red suit? This is the red suit. No, because this is about the suit of the types of cards, but here they are asking about from the red suit, mean they are discussing about the colors. We have only two colors. We have the red and black, two different colors we have. If the first card is red, then the second can be red or black. If the first black, the second one can be red or black. These are the only two possibilities, right? Because we have two colors. They are asking the both are red, so we will find the probability of the red mean RR. What is the probability of first red? If the first one is red, how many total red are there? Total red are 26 out of 52. First one, we draw the card that is red, we didn't put back, so how many red are remaining? 25, and the total are remaining 51. So the probability both red mean 26 over 52 times 25 over 51. So you will multiply, the probability of the red is there, so you can multiply 26 times 25, which is equal 650, divide by 52 times 51, which is equal 2652. This is the answer of the first one. About the colors, okay, let me raise this one. In the second one, the first card is heart and the second is spade. Now they are discussing about the types of the cards, because we have the four types. If the first one is spade and the second one, no, the first card is heart and the second one is spade. So first one is heart is this one, the second one is spade, this one. So the probability of HS. So if the first one is heart, so how many heart are there? Out of 52, we have 13 out of 52. The first one is 30 heart. Okay, so we draw already, so remaining are 51. So from 51, how many spade are there? Spade also 13 out of 51. Why 51? Because we already drawn one heart. So what is the probability of this? 13 over 52 times 13 over 51, so which is equal 169 over the same 2652. This is the answer of the second one, 2169 over 2652. This is the answer of the second one. Okay, now the third part. They said the two cards of different suits. It means HD, HC, HS. Then plus DH, DC, DS. There are a lot more possibilities for this. So the best thing, we will find the probability of the same cards, mean the probability of HH, probability of DD, probability of CC, probability of SS. Then we will subtract the question is same card. So the probability of same, the probability of same or different source. Okay, so the probability of different mean the one, this one equal to 1 minus probability of same source. Because different are more, you need more calculation, so better find the probability of same, then subtract from 1, you will get the probability of the different source. So the probability of HH is what? The first one, H, is 13, because total 13 over 52, times the second H, because already you have drawn 1, so the remaining is 12 over, so this is 52 out of 52, times already drawn 1 H, so the remaining 12 over now 51. So this is equal 650 over 2652. 13 times 12, no, 13 times 12, 156. 13 times 12 equal 156 over 2652. Okay, now the next one, again the same, DD, the first D diamond, how many? 13 over 52, already drawn 1, so remaining 12 over 52, so which is equal 13 over 52 times 12 over 52, which is equal the same like this one, which is equal 156 over 2652. So all will be same. CC mean the first C is 13 over 52, the second one is 12 over 52. So 13 over 52, this is 51 over 51 times 12 over 51, which is equal the same 156 2652. The next one, the last, again same, the first SPAD is 13 over 52, the second one is 12 over 51. So 13 over 52 times 12 over 51, which is equal the same 156 over 2652. All of them the same. Okay, as I told you here, let me erase because I need space here. Probability of same, HH plus SS, CC and DD. Probability of HH or DD is the same, which is 156 over 2652. Okay, the same, the next one also the same, 156 over 2652 plus, again same, plus. Okay, now the next one we will add, so denominator is same, just we will add the numerator, 156 plus 156 plus 156 plus 156, which is equal 624 over 2652. This is our answer for the same card. Okay, but our question is find the probability of the different suits. So this is the same suits, this is same suits. To find the different, okay, we will subtract from 1 as I told you in the beginning. So let's start to find this one. Probability of different source equal 1 minus probability of same. What is the probability of same? We got here 624 over 2652. So we will subtract from 1 minus this one, use calculator directly, so which is equal minus 624, which is equal 2028 over 2652. So this is the probability of different source. I hope it is clear. If you have any question about this, you didn't understand any step, you can ask me in the comment. Now we will solve the next question with the replacement. That one was without replacement. So look here, the question, a box contain 4 white ball, 3 black ball, 1 marble, so not ball, 4 white marble, 3 black marble. So 1 marble is drawn, its color is not, then it replaced back. So there is no change in total. In the previous one there was a change in total, you know, the total outcome was 52. After drawing the first one, the new card, the total is 51 because the change. Here if replaced back, there is no change in the total outcomes. Okay, first thing they are asking you to draw a tree diagram for this experiment. First thing we will draw the tree diagram. 2 marble will be drawn, right? So one possibility can be white, other, for example, first card is drawn is white, or can be black. If first one is white, the second one can be white or black. If the first one is black, the second one can be the white or black. This is the tree diagram. This is the tree diagram. Now what is the probability of white? White, I mean 4, right? 4 over total 7. 4 over 7, no change because with replacement. Black, how many black are there? 3 over 7. So black are 3 over 7, white are 4 over 7, black are 3 over 7. Okay, find the probability both are white, both are white. So mean this one, mean WW, which is 4 over 7 times 4 over 7, which is equal this one. 4 times 4 16, 7 times 7 49. This is our answer for the first one. Okay, now the second one. One marble is white, the other one is the black. It means the first one is white, I mean the one is white, one, they didn't say the first, they said one is white and the other one is black. White and black, white and black, 2 possibilities, right? The second one, the probability 1 white and other black, which is equal WB plus BW. Probability of white 4 over 7 times probability of black 3 over 7 plus 3 over 7 times 4 over 7. So which is equal 4 times 3 12 over 7 times 7 49. 4 times 3 12, 7 times 7 49. So you will add 12 because denominator is same, so you will add just the denominator. 12 plus 12 24 over 49. This is the answer. One is white, the other one is black. Now the next question, question number 3. Question number 3, both marble are black, both are black. This one, probability both are black, both are black, which is equal BB. So probability of black is 3 over 7 times 3 over 7. 3 times 3 9, 4 times 7 times 7 49. This is our answer. I hope it is clear. If you have any question about this lecture, you can ask me in the comment. Thank you so much for watching.